How to download and install Zoom app on Windows 11. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process. So let's start. First, open your web browser and search zoom.us. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now click on download. On the download page, click the download button. Here you see download 64-bit. Just click on it. If you click the download button, the download process will start automatically and it may take some time depend on your internet connection. Once it's downloaded, go to your download folder. Now double click on zoominstaller.exe. Here you see it's start installing. After install, it will launch automatically. Now you can sign in or join a meeting directly, and that's it. You have successfully installed Zoom on your PC. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.